That was a historic Rio Pareco Bridge. Good morning, y'all. We were traveling on I-40 West, and Route 66 is parallel to this interstate. So we decided to get off the interstate for a little bit, and maybe not. Well, we got off at an exit, and I guess the road was closed. But we still see Route 66, and this is still considered Route 66 on the I-40. So we may make a couple of stops along the way.
Did you catch it?
Yep. Just a few sights along the way. These hills that we're passing over are pretty cool. And up here, the old Route 66 makes a dead end. Probably because of the interstate. But look at the mesas out there. San Jose de la Laguna Mission is located in the Pueblo village of Laguna, New Mexico. The white church building known as the Mission and Convent of San Jose de la Laguna was constructed between 1699 and 1701. Laguna Pueblo is a Native American tribe located along the Rio San Jose in west central New Mexico. The village is situated along Route 66, about 60 miles west of Albuquerque. Driving through Grants, New Mexico, and this is supposed to be the historic Route 66. We're heading to the Visitor Information Center.
That's a cool mural.
Wow.
Grants has a mine that you can tour also.
I wonder what kind of mine it is.
I don't know. There's the historic Route 66. So here we are in Grants, New Mexico, and this is the neon sign in Grants. You can actually drive up there, and it comes on, and you can take a picture with. And there's information on how to do it up here.
standing on the corner of Winslow, Arizona, such a fine sight to see. It's a man, my lord, but he ain't got no Ford, and he's looking right at me.